Yo, what's up, guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Studio. And today I got here my first ever Victory Gundam model kit from Bandai, and this is the Verka. So I got my Victory 2 before this one, but I just watched the Victory Gundam um, anime, so I got an interest on building this Victory Gundam Verka. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this kit has to offer us collectors. Fangen wir an, los geht's. So the box art here shows the Victory Gundam Verka. Of course, Verka model kit comes with the white background and the full shot of the model kit or the mobile suit. So this is from the League Militaire, and I really like the League Militaire arsenals because this Victory Gundam has so many sets in their ships, and whenever some parts are destroyed, it is easily replaceable in the anime. So I really like that concept. So there, it's a Bandai model. So League Militaire, and let's go with the side of the box. We can see the two modes of this kit. So the top torso and the bottom half here, the boots, it's called the boots. So it is connected with the what do you call this core fighter that has the Gundam head, which is very nice. I really like that. So there, it can be separated. So the torso, top torso, the bottom boots, and we got two sets of core fighter. So on the other side, you can see the front view and the rear view of the Victory Gundam. And we got the fictional specs stated here. So let's go with the packs. So I already opened the box. We got here first pack, second pack, third pack, fourth pack, fifth, and 6 packages for this kit. And let's go with the instruction manual. So this is instruction manual. Victory Gundam Verka with the Victory Gundam on the cover page. And there we go, we got this kind of specs here, but unfortunately these are all written in Japanese and I cannot read that. And we got this kind of head. So we got two sets of head for this, the one with the V-fin and the other one without. And the kit comes with not so many parts here, so it's a very easy kit to build since I already built the Victory Gundam, Victory 2 Gundam. Yeah. So there we got this assembling process for the core fighter. So we got two sets of this. So it's very easy kit to build since I built already the other one. So there, got this. And the last pages of the manual, you can see the placement of the decals for this kit. So let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner G for the guns, and for this pegs for the action base. Then we got runner B for the blue parts. We got this yellow runner I for the V-fin. Then we got here the clear beam effect parts. We got here runner F for the inner frame parts. We got two sets of runner D1 for the white parts. We got this runner E1 for inner frame parts. We got two sets of this runner E1, and we got this multicolored runner for runner A1, and we got another V-fin there. So there. And finally, we got the runner C1 for the white parts, and this kind of polycap. And we got the shield, very nice colored shield. And finally, we got this stickers, tri-transfer, and this foil stickers. So let's build this kit and see you next time on the finished product of this Victory Gundam Virga.
Yun.